Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to add payment method to System.io. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So what we need to do first is we need to log in to our account. So go to System.io and log in into your account. Now once in here, what we need to do is we need to access our settings. So the top right of your screen, go ahead and click on your profile or hover over it and just click on the settings option here. Now at the left side, you should be able to see different settings that you can access. Now in this case, go to the payment gateway section, and from here you should be able to see different payment gateways that you could connect. Now in this case, you have Stripe, PayPal, Mercado Pago, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Molly, and a lot more. Now in this case, if you want to connect a specific payment gateway here, like for example PayPal, just click on the connect button that is next to it, and from here enter your username, password, and your signature here, and just click on save. Now in this case, if you want to connect your Stripe, just click on connect here, and this should actually redirect you to another page. But in this case, you need to log in into your Stripe account here, and you should be able to connect your two accounts or set up your payment gateways. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.